Hello बच्चों, let's discuss the question, and the question is the dark bands of a skeletal muscle are known as, and the options are isotropic bands, anisotropic bands, intercalated disc and the cross bridges. The key concept for the question will be bands of muscle or the bands that are present in muscle. Muscle is a type of connecting tissue जिसके पास में property होती है that it have light and dark band in it. So we can write that muscle is the connecting tissue of the body, connecting tissue of the body that have striated property. Striated property. और striated property से क्या meaning है? That it have bands that are present in it. Means bands are present in it. और bands भी कैसे present होंगे? These bands are of two types. The first is light band and the second one is the dark band. In light और dark band के contrasting arrangement से आपका muscle form होता है. अब bands बनाए गए कौन? The next question that arises that what makes these bands to be arranged, and these bands are made up of which kind of thing? The material is protein basically. These bands are made up of protein. So we can write that bands are formed by proteins, and the name of these proteins are actin and myosin. These are actin and myosin. Actin is thin in nature while myosin is thick in nature. Actin और myosin के arrangement से there is the formation of bands in muscle. For example, let me take arrangements as this is the myosin band, the thicker one which is present. This is the myosin one, while actin being the thin band present in this manner. This is the arrangement. This is the arrangement of actin and myosin in a muscle. अब दो consecutive actin के बीच में एक band produce होगा and this band will be known as Z line. Similarly यहाँ पर भी एक band present होगा. This band is known as Z line. दोनों Z lines के दोनों तरफ ही आपके actin present होते हैं because इधर only actin present होता है. Therefore इस area को आप I band बोलते हैं. It means isotropic means सिर्फ एक ही तरीके का आपका protein present है. Therefore this portion where only one type of protein is present, this portion where one type of protein is present is known as isotropic band or I band, and this is light in nature क्योंकि यहाँ पर सिर्फ एक ही तरीके का आपका प्रोटीन प्रेजेंट है and that protein is actin. यहाँ पर सिर्फ actin present है, actin only. But here in between the Z lines we have the overlapping area of actin and myosin. तो वो overlapping area is being the darker one, therefore it is called anisotropic band, क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक से ज़्यादा तरीके के बैंड प्रेजेंट है. So we can also depict it in our structure that this is the area where we found कि यहाँ पर overlapping areas हैं. This is overlapping area. This is overlapping area जहाँ पर दोनों तरीके के आपके प्रोटीन्स प्रेजेंट है, एक्टिन प्लस आपका मायोसिन. एक्टिन और मायोसिन दोनों प्रेजेंट होने की वजह से दिस पार्ट विल बी कंसीडर एज डार्कर, देयरफॉर दिस इज अ डार्क बैंड एंड देयरफॉर known as anisotropic band or A band. This will form A band. So in our question, it is asked that the dark band A band of a skeletal muscle are known as isotropic band, anisotropic band, intercalated disc and the cross bridges. So the correct option for the given question is B, that is anisotropic band. I hope the question is understood to you. All the very best.